Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi. As you can see, we've got some tips and some MEFA polish, and I am using the brown, and I'm putting some on the bottom of this little jar so I can mix it with some other colors. What we're going to do today is some stamping. As you can see, I've got a stamp here, or a stamping plate. Now I'm adding this pinkish creamy color to it, and I'm going to mix it up. And it's still too dark for me. I added too much brown, I think, but it ends up coming into the color that I want, so it ends up being just fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to use stamping with that bubble technique, and we are going to make a winter tweed leather jacket inspired sort of look. So now we have gotten to the color that I like, and what I'm doing is just making sure all of the colors are mixed together. And I just really wanted to leave this part in so that you can see that you play until you get the color you like, okay? And it doesn't have to be perfect, but just have fun with it, right? Maybe you don't have the color in your mind, but that doesn't mean you can't make it. And there's lots of places online where you can find inspiration of what colors to mix together. So, you know, just don't be afraid to use Google. It's your friend. And mix up some colors. It's super fun. Now what I'm going to do is paint 3 of these nails this color, this tan, I guess you would call it a tan color, this tan color. And I am going to do 2 coats of color on everything, but I only show you 1 because painting the nails gets a little repetitive. I do drop off camera here a little because of course I do. Sorry about that, guys. And here we go. Just going to go ahead and do this. I'm such a goober. These other 2 are going to be brown. We're just going to use the actual brown color. And we are going to paint that entire nail situation, the whole thing, on both of these. And that's going to be the thumb and pinky of this look. The other 3, of course, will be the middle, the pointer, and the ring finger. All right, now we have 2 coats on all the nails, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm picking, I've got 3 different colors of stamping polish that go in the collection called, hold on, I'm gonna look right now. It is, I wanna say it's Galactic. And you can see it's this real pretty goldish green color. And it is, guys, I'm so sorry, I cannot read it. It will be linked below, but it's by Born Pretty. And I'm just cleaning up the extra that got on there. Now, I want to apologize. You don't get to see me do any of the stamping. I'm so sorry, except right there. That is the most that you're gonna get. Now I do have to, these tips are longer than the stamp, so I actually, not the pad, just the actual image that's on the metal. So I do have to do it twice. And I do my best to line it up, but it did not come out perfect. But you know, I just forgave myself and moved on with my life. Because that's just, you know, that's what you do. And again, you do not get to see me do the stamping. And so I'm pretty sure I cut the stamping out on the other 2 nails. And I only stamp half of those. See, you can see that I somewhat lined it up, but not perfectly. Now I zoomed in a little so you could see how pretty that green polish is once you put some top coat on there. And you can also see I only went halfway on the nail, because we are going to, after this gets cured, we are going to go ahead and take the brown polish and go down the opposite sides so that we can do the bubble technique on those nails as well. I'm not sure why I'm zoomed in so close. I think it's just the editing program made a mistake. So I'm sorry about that, but there you can see what I was talking about. I just did some brown all the way down the sides. And I have something stuck to my fingernail. I think it's probably some of the dots. Now what I'm gonna do, I saw in one of the, I'm always looking for trends, and one of the trends right now is velvet chrome. So what I decided to do was chrome out this brown with the silver chrome, which as you can see looks pretty all on its own. But then I'm going to add a matte top coat, and I'm of course going to repeat that process on the half brown nails as well. And you can see here I didn't show you top coating it, but this is with the matte top coat. And now we're going to put some shiny top coat on it. So now you'll get to see what the chrome looks like shiny, but only for a moment, because we are going to go ahead and add some bubbles and make a huge mess. As you see, wait, I'm pretty sure you see here that I make a really big mess. But here comes some bubbles. Yep, see, look. Oh my goodness. It's because I had way too much water. So pro tip on the bubbles. Way less water than you think. You want a ton of water, or I mean a ton of soap and very little water. And I know a lot of other nail techs are adding things like alcohol or gel residue wipe-off solution or what have you. I didn't do that. You don't need it. It doesn't need it. Very heavy soap, very little water. Here's the finished set. Oh my God, you guys, I absolutely love this. It's sort of a jacket inspired look. I hope you like it too. Please let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy it. Would you wear it? Are you gonna try to do it? I think it looks like leather and tweed. I think it's so cute. I absolutely love this set. And please tag me if you do recreate it. Please consider smashing my buttons down there, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Merry Christmas! Mwah! Have a great day, guys. Bye.